Welcome back to the channel, everyone. ggkickzz here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 1 Low OG. The OG is there, not to say that it's an original color per se, but the shape and model form of this sneaker. I'm pretty sure I have another low around there, so I will be comparing them, the two different models, so you guys can see the differences. But this is, I guess, the sequel to the Shattered Backboards, the highs. Those, if you guys look up, the color code tag is Starfish. These are dubbed the Starfish as well. This is 11.5 for the personal, so you already know. This shoe right here retail for 130. I hit on the sneakers app a little while back, but I just thought it was an interesting shoe to do a review on. We're gonna be breaking down the materials used, the resell, the color, and you guys are going to get the on feet. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Here's a closer look at the box. Air Jordan 1 Low OG, orange, black, white, 11.5, retail 130. Regular Air Jordan 1 box. Here it is, the sneaker in all its glory. We're going to start off like always with the outsole. The outsole of this is made out of that Starfish orange, guys. Very, very nice. We have your Nike in there in the middle, a little bit of stars in the front. Midsole still has your orange on it with the white stitching as well. Very nice touches. This shoe is made up of this predominant color of the Starfish orange and white. So you guys can see it's a very OG-ish colorway, so that's really nice. We have the black Nike swoosh, which gives it an excellent contrast to the white background right there. Turn it around the back, you have your Air Jordan Wings logo pressed on there, very nice in black. Then the toe box, clean Air Jordan 1 toe box, nice quality. The leather there is very plush, very nice. Going up around the laces, you have your flat black laces. Then you have your Nike Air right there on the tongue, Nike Air on the inside as well. You guys let me know, man. This shoe right here is super clean. Quality control on this was super clean. Just an overall killer shoe. Here is the non-OG version of the Air Jordan Low. Main differences are the back part right here. This is like more curved to the back. The Air Jordan logo is underneath that. There's no badge to it, kind of like this. So there's a comparison for you guys, for those who say that there isn't a difference, but there actually is, just a little bit, you know what I mean? Not a big deal. Then you have your Air Jordan logo on the non-OG versus your Nike Air logo on the OG. Outsole's pretty much the same. It's just the shape is a little bit different. You guys let me know if you guys can tell the difference, and if the difference matters to you in the comment section down below. These are made of less premium leather material though. I should see, this is a lot more stiffer, feels more synthetic compared to this nice plush leather on these Starfishes. All right, so with all that being said and out the way, this Air Jordan Low, I'm gonna be giving it, in my opinion, a 7 out of 10. Let me know where you guys rate these in the comment section down below. Mostly because I do like the shape, I do like the color, you know what I mean? It is a clean, nice summer shoe. Yeah, I don't know, it's between a 7 or 8 now that I really think about it. Cause you know, I like the shape and model over the other one, but that's just my opinion, guys. Brings the extra laces, so it's overall a decent shoe if you could get it for retail price, which was 130. When I rate my shoes, I basically look at how much did it cost, was it a headache, this, and you know, like all of that takes into accountability, the quality control, the leather. This has sick leather, but yeah, I take all of that into account. So on StockX right now, for my size, these are looking around 230-ish. I do expect these to hit 300 maybe by the end of summer or the end of the year. It's just a dope shoe, you know what I mean? So 250-ish is a fair price, but like I said, if you guys can get these for retail, it's not a bad pickup. It's not a bad pickup. They are going to be bringing more lows this shape and model this year, so stay tuned for those. I will be reviewing them. The materials used on this was super premium. I just love how this Starfish orange, it's just super soft leather. I wish you guys can feel this. Eventually you guys will, man. I'll be making videos from the metaverse with VR and all that good stuff, but for now we're here and this is the closest you're gonna get. So if you guys enjoyed this video, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, press that like button, that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell. This is ggkickzz, and I'm out.